Guys, welcome to another review from CarAndTech. So this time I'm going to review a Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi keyboard for Apple, Android, iOS, and Windows. So this keyboard is super efficient and super easy to connect and then use, and it's compatible with all the OSs. So that is the best feature which I like with this keyboard. And this comes with a USB dongle. So this is the dongle, guys. So this dongle should be used only for Windows and Mac, while for connecting your phone or your iPad you don't need this dongle. You need only the Bluetooth of you can use the Bluetooth functionality of your phone or your tablet to connect to this keyboard. So without wasting time, let's go with the unboxing and a small review of the Amkette multifunctional Bluetooth plus Wi-Fi keyboard, guys. So I just got this package yesterday, but because of the rain, the package got somewhat damaged, but the interior was intact. So when you open the packaging, you get a claim receipt. That is, you can claim 100 Amazon shopping voucher if you scan this code, and then just do a simple survey. So I'm going to do that, and later I'll let you know how it is. So you can get 100 rupees back as your Amazon voucher. So in the box, guys, we also have a booklet, and these are the different colors where it comes in. Now there's blue, white, and black. I selected the white plus gray, the beige color, which I feel is a little bit premium than the other colors. And the instruction manuals tells you about the different keys and also the different functionalities, how you will be switching with different OSs, and then all those things. So let's go with the review. Now, a small plastic white casing or a packaging, and this is the keyboard, guys. So this is how the keyboard looks like. The build quality is really good, and you can feel the tactile keys. You don't feel that rubbery or plasticky feel to this. The feel when you touch the keys are really good. This is basically, I bought this for my Mac Mini. So this is my Mac Mini M4, guys. You can see that there. So basically, I bought this for the Mac Mini M4, and because previously I was using a Windows keyboard and did not have the command or the function button. So, and more than that, the advantage of this is that it can be connected simultaneously to 4 devices. That is the biggest advantage of this keyboard. So if you press BT1, it will be connected to the primary device, and you can connect your phone, your iPad, or any other device that supports 2.4G Wi-Fi connections. So this is how the layout of the keyboard is, guys. We have the volume up and down buttons, and it can be customized for any OS. So that is the biggest advantage. So it can be customized for the Mac, Windows, and for iOS. So that is one big advantage of this keyboard. So you can use it for your tablet, phone, or any Android or Windows device. So you can see the Android symbol also over here. So that is basically the keyboard, guys. Now when you go behind, so that is where some of the other things are there. So you can see the model number Optimus V3 here, and the certification, and this is the battery compartment, guys. So you remove the battery compartment, use two AAA batteries which I had bought separately, and I'm using it with the keyboard. So two AAA batteries are required for this. And here in this slot, dongle is kept, which I removed, and I had actually plugged it on my USB hub. Now let's connect it to my Mac Mini M4. Alright, guys, so the number keys are here, I mean, mostly the big keyboards and number keys would be here. But before this, you have to do a keyboard setup. So I have to, so you have to click on the continue, and you have to press the key after the shift. Okay, so I'm going to press Z here. So Z, I'm pressing. Okay, so it identified the keyboard. I'm going to the right side. I'm going to press this question mark. Now you can see, yes. So that means it's recognizing the keyboard. I'm going to open a program first. Open the Safari, and let me see if it's working. I'm going to press the command, press Q, and see if the program is closing. Yes, it is closing. And if you want, you can go back and later configure the keyboard here. Go to keyboard, and then you can see the different settings that is to be used for the keyboard guide. You can mute, the audio with the help of this button, and you can minimize the volume, maximize the volume. And the next button is for spotlight search, right? And the next is for screenshot, guys. This is for screenshot, and this one is for the emoji search, all right? And this button is for the home, right? So it goes back to home. All right, guys. Now I'm gonna connect my phone with the next, that is the BT2. So right now it's connected to my Mac Mini. I'm going back to my connecting to my phone. So I'm gonna press BT2. So when you press that, you can see the light. Can you see blinking there? All right, guys. Now it's actually connected. The keyboard is actually connected to my phone. Now see, Optimus 2 is connected. So it's connected. Now let's go back to the suppose we go to Chrome. I need to type in something. So let me just type in something like GSM. All right. Okay, now GSM is what I'm typing. So you can use this keyboard for your phone. Suppose if you want to switch back to your Mac Mini or your PC, you need to press this. So guys, my final review about this keyboard is that it's a very good keyboard. Only thing is the size. The size is a little bit small, which I feel if you have a cramped space is difficult to work with. But it's a very portable keyboard where you can carry it anywhere in your suitcase if you're going for any business trip or any other leisure activity, if you're going for vacation or something. And the feel of the keys are very tactile. Each push can be, you can feel that when you push those keys on the keyboard. And also the different functionalities of the topmost keys, where you can mute the volume, and you can open certain apps which can be programmed with the function keys, is also an added advantage. And the battery life is also a good plus point. I think I was continuously using this with the new batteries, and then intermittently maybe you need a battery change, like only in about 6 months. So that is also, the battery life is also a plus point with this keyboard. And you can use this with multiple devices. That is the best thing which I like with this keyboard. You can easily switch between your PC, your phone, your tablet, everything with just the click of a button. So that is a huge advantage of this keyboard. So this is not a paid review, guys. I bought this during the Amazon what do you call, the Prime day. I got this just for 740 rupees. So when you talk about the cost factor also, it's a very cheaper alternative to very expensive or exorbitantly priced keyboards like the Apple keyboard. But it serves the purpose. That is what I think is what you require when you buy a keyboard. So that's it for this review, guys. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more.